Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in Gmail with logo. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up your Gmail. At the top right corner, you can tap on the gear icon and here you are going to see all settings. Click on it. You will see lot of tabs here. We have to stay in general. Now in general, you have to scroll down to the bottom area where you can see signatures. So we have signature here and currently we don't have any. We are going to create new. Going to give your signature a name. You can say my signature and click on create. Then here you can put in your details for your signature. So we are just giving a random name and here you can change the settings of the name. Go ahead and change the font. We can select it. It's going to bring a drop down and you can use white or any other options, and then we could make it bold by selecting it again. Increase the size, make it underline. If you want to, you could also change the text color, change it to blue, red or whatever you want. Now next part, you could put any other information, maybe your address or any other message, and then right here you can see insert image. So this is where we get to insert our logo. Now at this point, I'm just going to assume you have your logo already and we are going to click on insert image. You could use your web URL to add it to. We are going to go ahead to Google Drive. You have two options here, my drive and upload. We are going for this upload, and then you have the option to drag a file or browse. So just drag your logo and we have this pop-up, only images are accessible to anyone with link can be added. We can see allow anyone and you can see the logo right here. Now it's currently really big. We are going to have some options here. We have the original size, remove, large, medium and small. We are going for small and now you can see it's nicely embedded into our signature design. Now that we have it, we can use this other options to check this box here. It says insert signature before quote a text in replies and remove this line that precedes it. So we could use this, and then we have some defaults. For new emails, use signature 1, only reply forward use. We could also use signature 1, and then we are going to scroll to the bottom and click on save changes. And we have currently saved, and whenever you will tap on this compose, you will see your signature and your logo. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add signature in Gmail with logo. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.